Alrighty, so we're gonna try to get to the scrap yard before the rain. This is all stuff I picked up at on the curb. But I don't honestly know how much we have on the truck. I got all that wire. I mean, definitely gonna get dirty moving it, but there's probably, I'm hoping 200 pounds of wire. I'm not gonna cut these ends off, even though it'd be interesting to see what they would bring online. I kind of want to see what I get on everything here. So there's like a little bag of wire in there, but all right, we're on our way to the scrapyard. I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully we beat the rain. Bye. So I made it to the scrapyard, and waiting online. Be interesting. Let's see if these come out. It's got those huge oil tanks. I wonder if he has the holes cut in them. He just pulled out. I don't know why. But the pile of cars is gone that was in the back. Kind of. But the scrap mountain is still pretty big. I think I came last week and they were paying $8 a hundred, so it's 8 cents a pound for steel. I don't know, it makes a microwave worth like $4, $3. They're about 50 pounds, a big microwave. But we'll see what happens. I'll show you guys when I, hopefully the rain's looking like it might hold off. It's just raining a little, so should be pretty easy to get in and unload. Me and Naz are gonna go back probably at the end. I'm gonna get another load of wire. Right after here I'm gonna go pick up a Singer sewing machine, a commercial one. But we'll see. I'll touch back with everybody. Bye. All right, so they finally let us go in. We'll see how. This one always pays the most, but it's always got the grossest yard out of anybody. So we'll see what's up. I think we're just gonna pull in here because this tractor trailer's coming. Always good stuff to pop your tires. Is what it is. That's all their aluminum. Alright. I'm gonna put you guys up over here. Unload and get wet. Hopefully it works. that's about all the steel. Now we're gonna do the light iron. Do the wire. Hopefully it adds up to be some money. We'll find out. I'll show you the bucket when I get it unloaded. That's all what they consider heavy. Well, now it's starting to rain. Just enough to make everything soupy. I have to get buzzed out again. I don't know, I'll be happy if I make $200. I still think it's only about $170 on the truck today. We'll find out. Because even though it looks like a lot, it's real light stuff, that old computer cable. So I'll be right back. He knows how to drive, so we're going to pull up just a hair. Well, so I got it all. It might be 150 pounds. Just got to squeeze behind this guy. Nah, maybe 200. I have to kind of pull it to put some weight into it for it to go. So it'll be interesting. We'll see how what they say when we're sitting here with it.
Nope.
Everybody else is unloading. Whew. Kind of see, so that blue machine in the back is putting it into a shredder, and the shredder kind of chips it up so it can go overseas. But I don't know. I hope this makes some money. All right, once I get on, I'll get back to you guys. All right, it's my turn to bring this wire in. Got it all unloaded. We'll see how it does. I think my cart weighs as much as my cart weighs. How you doing? 140.
Bud, do me a favor. You're gonna pull it back over in that area. We need this door unblocked. Unblocked.
Okie doke. So, I don't know where he's going, but we'll see. He's about doing stainless steel right now. So let's see, if we're 143, we need to be like close to 400 when we get on the scown. Let's go.
They still got y'all working and everything still? That's all we have.
White is Cat 5.
Yeah, it's computer.
Everybody was saying things.
The blue one, I think Cat 5.
Is that good or bad? Is that better?
It's just a certain.
I don't know. The guy was.
Yeah, that's Cat 5. Just definitely.
You ready? Not that great. It's going to be 240 pounds or so. That's what I thought.
Is it 143?
It's okay, you hold it down. I won't be upset.
Yep. Some of it's Cat 5.
And I guess we'll take the tarps off the wood, the wire boxes, and we'll sort through it.
Sorry.
No problem. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you. You too. 227 pounds.
Hey, lit, is it?
No.
All right.
All right, here's the moment of truth.
What's that?
I said the moment of truth, how much I made. 187. It's a GoPro for, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 187. Thank you, Dom.
How do you do with that?
I just started. I mean, they got a lot of people watch. So, what?
What do you do?
Scrap, antiques. Blue Bus Dave.
What is it? Blue bus?
Blue Bus Dave. You should be able to find it.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, so now what to do? We have we didn't make a ton of money, and it was a freaking disaster, muddy job. I was hoping for like a little over 200. I mean, I still got probably $20, $30 worth of scrap on the truck, but you can see how gross it is to take apart. All that has to get cut out of bags, so I don't know. I guess it was a good thing Naz is getting some money. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.